Thank you so much. And request you all to please take your seat. And Asif ji, we'd like you to please join us. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for a huge round of applause to the founder and chairman of Bhamla Foundation, the man. Much here. Please let us know. Can we have one more mic, please? इतने सालों से there has been this association.
Thank you. भूमि नमस्कार. जी बोलिए.
जी, इतने सालों से ये एसोसिएशन रहा है. हर साल कोई ना कोई नए कैंपेन के साथ आप अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करते हैं. प्लीज टेल अस अबाउट द थॉट बिहाइंड दिस ईयर.
इस बार तो हमने सच पूछो तो बिकॉज चुनाव की सरगर्मियाँ इतनी बढ़ी हुई थी तो हमें लगा कि हम करें या ना करें. तो मैंने एक ऐसी कोशिश कर दी. बाल्की सर के यहाँ बैठा था और हमने कहा कि सर ये बार हम सोच रहे हैं. तो उन्होंने कहा आसिफ यार आई डोंट गेट इनटू ऑल ऑफ दिस बिकॉज ये मेरा विषय नहीं है. आई एम अ फिल्म मेकर, आई एम अ सक्सेसफुल फिल्म मेकर डूइंग सच बिग फिल्म विद सो मेनी पीपल एंड आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस. नो सर यू and then we tried to convince him and we convinced him to an extent persistently that आहिस्ते आहिस्ते वो उसमें आते गए थोड़ा और finally I saw that he was so much in that zone that the project became easy to an extent that the name also came out from him, the Bhumi Namaskar. You remember Romanchak? When we were all sitting down, the name appeared from him. So that how do we explore the name? You know, हम इतने कलावंत लोग नहीं हैं. We are not so creative people as much as Balki sir is. So he said, how about this name? You know, I said, yeah, that's the name actually. That could be the name. That could be the name. So and that's how it all started off. Though we had so many campaigns in the past, so we thought हम पुराने को ही कुछ नया करके कुछ decorate करके कर देंगे. Because elections में it's so difficult, the entire focus of the media and everybody is there. But sir ने जो initiate किया, I mean I think he was a lucky mascot to us. Hangama has always been very very lucky to us. शान is हमेशा से हमारे हर campaign की शान रही है और इस बार एक और शान बढ़ा दी बाल्की सर ने इंट्रोड्यूस करके. अमन पंत जी को मैं चाहूँगा इन सब के लिए आप लोग ज़ोरदार ताली बढ़ाएं क्योंकि हमें हम बड़े रिस्ट्रिक्टेड थे और हमें ये पूरे तरीके से एक नए जॉनर में हमें ये पूरा करने का मौका मिला. एंड नीरज आई हैव टू नॉट से मैनी थिंग्स फॉर हिम बिकॉज ही हैज़ बिन पार्ट ऑफ अस. हम तो अगर कोई अगर कुछ गलत ना समझे तो हम दो जिस्म हैं, एक सोच वाले लोग हैं. जान नहीं बोल सकता, मैं माजरत चाहूँगा. एंड देन रोमांचक जी, महराज वहाँ है, माई डॉटर सहर इज ऑल्सो देयर. सो दे हैव बिन ऑल्सो द पिलर्स ऑफ दिस होल कैंपेन. सो रोमांचक हैज़ बिन ऑल्सो involved right from the beginning. So everybody's got some role to play and the final outcome is this beautiful campaign.
बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you so much Asif ji. And I'd like to, yes, thank you so much. I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Neeraj Roy, founder Hungama Digital Media Entertainment. Come on guys, we are at the Hungama Studios. Neeraj, please tell us.
Urmin, first I want to set the record on straight. You know, in the interest of everything and for all our friends from media. First of all, apologies for the delay. To set the record straight, Balki said no such thing. He has been the sort of literally, जिसे बोलते हैं ना, the Bhishma Pitama for this particular project for us. By him coming on board and in that, to tell you a little story, I mean, when the first seating itself was happening about what should we be doing, because, and it always, sometimes when you have someone new जो एक अच्छी चीज़ पे जुड़ते हैं तो हमेशा उससे कुछ ना कुछ वो बनता है. तो उनका ये वो आया कि जैसे we need to make this like an anthem in a certain way. And ऐसे ही बात करते करते बोला सूर्य नमस्कार. फिर किसी ने बोला भूमि का ये आज विषय है because it is soil restoration. And that is what led to it. And another one of the co-conspirators to this whole process, which is Prasun Joshi, who's not here with us today. It was wonderful that the two of them, these two legends of the advertising world, got together and have given us this, because Prasun penned the lyrics for this. The two of them collaborated, and it is under their sort of, the Chhatra Chhaya, as it were, that what will come out is हम लोग तो सब जुड़े हुए हैं in our own little way otherwise, but it really is, and I mean it, Balki. Thank you so much in every way possible.
बट ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, बिकॉज आई थिंक जिस तरीके से इस कैंपेन के जरिए हम अवेयरनेस क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, ये सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है. सो थैंक यू सो मच, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज अ ग्रेट कॉम्बिनेशन. जैसे आसिफ जी ने कहा, दो जिस्म. We'd like to also invite on stage Mr. Sujit Patil, Vice President and Head Corporate Brand and Communications, Godrej Industries. Please, sir, please join us on stage. अरे भाई, हंगामा वालों, जोरदार तालियां यार, come on. One-sided नहीं होना चाहिए love.
Shan, I think I have bigger fan following than you.
Shan, all Shan needs to do is just stand up and then he'll get that.
Yeah.
Cheer.
So guys, you got a task, okay?
Sujit ji, please tell us about your association with a campaign like this with Bhamla Foundation and Hangama.
Well, Mr. Asif did not say anything. He just put a gun on our head. But just kidding. I mean, the passion that he has for, he and Seher, the kind of passion they demonstrated and influenced our big boss, Mr. Nadir Godrej. And of course, then Michelle and then I, and then we all met up together with him, and he said, this is something very close to their heart. And we could see the genuineness and the authenticity with which they pitched and the kind of work they wanted to do. And Godrej, as you all know, is any which was into these kind of progressive activities in terms of environment. We own about 1,700 acres of mangroves, which is pledged to the city of Mumbai, which is the lungs of Mumbai actually. We get a lot of clean air there. So that association was very natural and progressive in terms of stuff that at Godrej, which we continuously do. We do a lot of things around water conservation, around landfills, around saving plastic. We've not only do a lip job in terms of we do this, or we actually demonstrate in terms of a product. I mean, I'll give you an example of say Godrej Magic, which is a powder to liquid hand wash, which comes in sachets. You don't transport water all over the place. It comes with a bottle. You make your own stuff. So there's savings in terms of carbon. We are not transporting water across the country. You're just selling small pouches. And it saves a lot of environmental hassles in terms of reduction in plastic, packaging, reduction in diesel, the fuel which is used for transporting. So I think these are small gestures which every corporate is doing. And a lot of corporates are doing many more things. My only humble suggestion, as Shan and I were discussing back in the room, was this has to move from a grassroots level where even kids, today, and all of us standing here, we need to make that one change and fall in love with the environment all over again, so that we demonstrate these small things. Small things like using less water. Small things like, as Shan was saying, in his home, he's constantly putting off the lights, right, Shan? So I think, wastage of electricity, it has got implication of so many of our natural resources. Walking if you can, cycling, so many things which actually are good for the environment. Of course, we do a lot of large events at Godrej, and Godrej L'Affaire, which is the partner for this particular gig. That event is a 100% sustainable event. We get it audited by Scrap, which are our partners, and this year, which happened 2 months back, we had about 1,894 kgs of saving in terms of things going to the landfill. And that was all converted. So reduce, recycle, reuse is something which we live by, demonstrate it, and it's actually working for us because the whole thought is sustainable, the whole action is sustainable, and we can actually sleep in peace, at home, saying that हमने carbon बहुत नहीं उड़ाया और plastic ज़्यादा waste नहीं किया. With that, I thank you, Asif ji, Seher, and the entire community sitting here. I think the only message is let's be more conscious of the environmental things and fall in love with the environment all over again.
Thank you. Thank you so much for inspiring us and for this very, very important step. Before we move ahead, ladies and gentlemen, आज हमारे बीच एक खास मेहमान है. इतने दमदार मेहमान है कि माइक तक रुक नहीं पाया. इनका नाम गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में शामिल हुआ है और वो क्यों हुआ है मैं उन्हें खुद बुलाना चाहूंगी यहाँ पर. प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर ग्रैंड मास्टर अफान कुट्टी. एवरीवन, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, जोरदार तालियां प्लीज. हाय अफान, थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस. मैं ये माइक ले लेती हूँ यहाँ से प्लीज. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड अफान, प्लीज हमें बताएं कि आपका नाम गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में शामिल क्यों हुआ है.
I do things blindfolded on Rubik's Cube और आज कुछ स्पेशल करने वाले आर बाल्की सर के लिए. तो मैं
यहाँ करने वाले
या तो बोलने से ज़्यादा बेटर मैं करके दिखा दूँ.
थैंक यू सो मच. दोस्तों, आपके साथ की ज़रूरत है. तालियों से प्लीज़ आप अफान कुट्टी को वेलकम करते हैं. And this is the reason why his name is in the Guinness Book of World Records. Thank you so much. Thank you. अफान कुट्टी के लिए जोरदार तालियां, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. I'd like to please call up on stage Romanchak Arora to join us. Please, आइए. Romanchak, thank you so much for joining us. और आप बताएं कि कैसा लग रहा है 2024 में भूमि नमस्कार ये कैंपेन के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
See, I'm nobody in front of these two stalwarts who are here, and I think we all dreamt of Balki sir to join this campaign. Like for past 2-3 years, he's been always talking, because I think sir has been attending some of the campaigns earlier as well, जो आसिफ भाई ने organize की थी, and we've always been dreaming कि जो मैजिक सर ने जो आज तक जो टीवी सीरीज में क्रिएट किया है, जो पूरा एक जो एडवर्टाइजिंग वर्ल्ड में क्रिएट किया है, एंड if we can get that here, and that is what we are seeing today, you know, in last 7-8 campaigns which, you know.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for being part. शान सालों साल आप रहे हैं हमारे साथ इस इनिशिएटिव का हिस्सा. Tell us what is it that made you come back in 2024?
नहीं, वो तो कोई जैसे वो नहीं करूँगा सर पे बंदूक रखे, क्योंकि कभी वो ऐसा उनके पास लाइसेंस भी नहीं उस चीज़ का, लेकिन बहुत प्यार से आसिफ भाई जब ही ये मंथ ऑफ फरवरी मार्च आ जाता है ना, तो फिर एक कॉल तो आ ही जाता है, और फिर वहाँ से धीरे धीरे बात शुरू होती है. इस बार ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज एट अ टर्न ऑस्ट्रेलिया, फिर यूएस था, बच्चों का कुछ था, तो काफ़ी आसिफ भाई भी टेंस से कैसे कर पाएंगे यार, तुम मिल ही नहीं रहा है, आ ही नहीं रहा है. ऐसे आसिफ भाई जो भी मुझसे हो सकेगा व्हेनेवर आई एम बैक वील डेफिनेटली वर्क इट आउट. बट मीनवाइल उन्हें वो बहुत अच्छा एक ट्रैक सुनाया, तो मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि इसने बनाया कैसे क्या है, तो मैंने बहुत कमाल का है, बस let's just run with it and let's go with it. And of course बाद में when I got to know it's Aman who's a dear friend of mine any which way, तो I should have guessed better कि बहुत ही प्यारा इन्होंने ये गाना बनाया. और जो थिंक टैंक है हमारी इतने सालों से, नीरज जी, आसिफ भाई, and somehow I'm also part of this, and we also had Swanand all these years, but this time we got Prasun ji. और आई थिंक विद जैसे अब मैं समझ में आ रहा है कहानी कहाँ से शुरू होगी, व्हेन बाल्की जी, प्रसन्न जी, दे मस्ट हैव मेट टुगेदर, और एक आसिफ भाई मस्ट हैव ड्रॉप्ड द सीड ऑफ कुछ करना है, एंड आई थिंक द रेस्ट इज हिस्ट्री. इट जस्ट फेल इन प्लेस, एंड वेरी हैप्पी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. लाइक आई एम, आई थिंक 22 years now I've been a part of भामला फाउंडेशन. कुछ ना कुछ हम साथ में हमेशा करते हैं. सो आई एम ग्लैड कि यू नो नए नए चेहरे जुड़ रहे हैं जिनमें वो हुनर है, कला है, एंड जो भी काम होता है यहाँ सिर्फ दिल से होता है. इट्स ऑल डन फॉर अ गुड कॉज, अ ग्रेटर कॉज. सो आई थिंक विच इज़ वाई ऑल गुड एनर्जी इज कमिंग टुगेदर. अच्छी चीज़ होती है.
म्यूजिक में वो डेफिनेट ताकत है, यू नो, टू अपनी बात जो है वो एकदम सरल तरीके से बताना. म्यूजिक से बेटर कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
जी, पिछले ये 6 साल से हमने ये शुरू किया है, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि हम लोग एक दिन का कैंपेन करते हैं, और वो एक दिन के लिए सब आते हैं, सब बातें होती हैं, फिर बात रह जाती है. लेकिन कोई गाना हो, वीडियो हो, तो वो सालों साल दर साल वो लोग दे कैन रीविजिट दैट स्पेस, एंड एवरी टाइम दे हियर द सॉन्ग, एवरी टाइम दे सी द वीडियो, उनके कहीं ना कहीं कॉन्शियस में, सबकॉन्शियस में वो बात जाती है कि यू नो हमें कुछ करना है अपने, यू नो, फॉर मदर नेचर, फॉर सॉइल कंजर्वेशन.
अमन, क्या ये थॉट आपके लिए भी इम्पोर्टेंट था एज अ कंपोजर, दैट यू नीडेड समथिंग दैट इज वेरी कैची सो दैट पीपल रिमेंबर इट?
वो तो था ही, मैं आपको बताऊं, और ये बड़ा ऑर्गेनिक प्रोसेस रहा गाना बनाने का. मेरे पास लिरिक्स आए थे जब मेरी बात हुई सर से भी, और मैंने जैसे लिरिक्स पढ़े, कोइंसिडेंटली मैं पियानो पे ही बैठा था उस टाइम पे, एंड मुझे लगता है कि इंस्टेंट में जो पहली मेलोडी मैंने गाई है वही है जो अभी आप सुनेंगे. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये होना ही था गाना, और ये आया. इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग दैट दिस मेलोडी केम इन एंड द लिरिक्स वर सो ब्यूटीफुल, और इनिशिएटिव इतना अच्छा तो आ गया, तो चीज़ें मुझे लगता है होती गई सब. फिर शान भाई, शंकर जी, सब ने इतना अच्छा गाया है गाने को, यू नो. तो ये वही होता है, जब इंटेंट आपकी करेक्ट होती है तो सब लोग जुड़ते रहते हैं साथ में, और यू नो कुछ अच्छा बनता है.
वी आर गोइंग टू सी द वीडियो, लेकिन 2 लाइनें तो शान आपकी आवाज में बनती है.
अमन खुद बहुत अच्छा गाते हैं. you must hear it because the guide track came from Aman only. आप शुरू करो, मैं आपके साथ
दोनों
चल जाता हूँ.
अगर धरती से है प्यार तो कर भूमि नमस्कार, भूमि नमस्कार, भूमि नमस्कार, तो कर भूमि नमस्कार, भूमि नमस्कार.
वाह वाह वाह, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू. And ladies and gentlemen, now it gives us great pride to please invite on stage someone who is the most loved writer, director, and the man who's conceptualized Bhumi Namaskar 2024. R. Balki. तालियां दोस्तों. सर कोई सवाल नहीं है आपसे, बस आप बोलिए. आप कुछ
दिखा दीजिए ना.
नहीं, आप पर इतने स्टार्ट से जो वो लगे हुए हैं आरोप, इफ आई मे से सो, उसके बारे में कुछ कहिए. हाउ वर यू अप्रोच्ड फॉर दिस?
Firstly, this name Asif Bamla is a concept. It's not a name. So he's a concept. He doesn't ask. He says, "We are doing this. This is our free. We're doing this, okay? But free. So there's no question of." Any saying I'm not free or anything with him. It is not possible. I've not been able to say no to him. And him and his daughter is very much similar, very similar. She's very firm on certain things. This is what it is. But actually, when he first met me with Romanchak, actually, and he took the pain of actually briefing me on what this complication is, and I said, what are you saying? It'll take me an encyclopedia. I don't understand. How do I communicate it to anybody else? Then we were talking, and he said, okay, what do you want to say? You keep on taking from the earth. It's time to give it back. You can't, it's like an ATM, no? Unless you put money in the account, you can't take it out. So it's exactly like that. Yeah. So we said, yeah. He said, yeah, that's it. We'll go to this. I said, that's fine. And they went away, and I said, that's it. My contribution's over. And of course, Romanchak is Asif ji executed with full advertising finesse. Okay, so he comes next day, he comes and tells me, okay, now we'll have to do this. He sends me various dockets and everything. He's got a strange way of disappearing and then coming back at the correct time. So he comes and says, we're doing this, we're rapping. I said, come on, he's a fantastic creative mind. He's one of the best creative minds that I've met. So we've kind of chatting, and I said, we need something, we need to make this a movement. Like, we need to make people do something. What do we make people? We can say a lot of things, but what do people do? So I was saying something like, like a Surya Namaskar, something like that kind of stuff. Then while we were rapping, this word Bhumi Namaskar happened there. So we just thumped the table and said, this is Bhumi Namaskar. And when Prasoon, Asif ji told me that Prasoon who likes to do the lyrics, I said, love it. Prasoon's a dear friend of mine. So Prasoon called me and I just told him, listen, I just know one thing. You can't keep taking from the earth, you got to give it back. So let's write a song on that. So he wrote it, and then it was very... How he wrote it? No, I don't know where he wrote it. He told me something, and in the space, by the time I think I finished some other meeting, I think the lyrics was on my phone. So I don't know where he wrote it, whatever. Then he got it on the thing, then I told him a couple of things. I said, include Bhumi Namaskar, because that's the concept. Because that time I hadn't briefed him on Bhumi Namaskar. We got the concept Bhumi Namaskar afterwards. Then he included the name the word Bhumi Namaskar. The funny thing is, then the music. Music of Mr. Aman Pant. I just called him up. Aman, this is the song, this is what we want to do, this is what it is. And he said, yes, karte. And for some strange reason, he didn't pick up the phone for 10 minutes. So I must have, my antenna should have gone up by then, but I didn't. So I just sent it to him, and he called me after some time, and he kept calling me after 5 minutes. So, and strange, his voice is sounding very strange. Aman always tries to sound enthusiastic, regardless of what he's doing, wherever, his enthusiasm. So I had a little think of, why is he sounding a little away? Little did I know, he was in LA or Chicago. I had no clue. I thought he was in Andheri, and he was sitting there. So I'm saying, he actually did the track sitting there and kept sending it. I had no clue. So we were at the studio, and he was sitting in LA, and it was at 6 o'clock in the morning. We were 6 o'clock in the night here. And that's when I discovered this guy has been doing this entire thing for me. And all corrections and everything, he's sitting there and doing it. So I had no clue that he was there, actually. He actually didn't even tell us that he was there. And I kind of, that's his contribution to this. On his holiday, Aman holiday, almost impossible thought, but he actually took it, and we screwed his holiday. Namaskar. Full Aman Namaskar.
Aman Namaskar.
But I must thank all of you. Thank you, Neeraj. Thank you phenomenally. I think when Neeraj came to the office and actually gave us, the kind of inspiration and the kind of commitment and the passion towards this particular cause, I think that's a great thing to have such kind of support behind this. All of you, thank you very much, Godrej. Thank you, everybody, for kind of supporting this. And of course Ria, who's borne the brunt of all the stuff. I said, yeah, you handle it. Ria's kind of, and Nipun, of course, the editor who's actually put this whole thing together. If he hadn't done it, I don't know how this could have been done. So if I've missed out anybody, thank you very, very much. Who? Anirudh, he's got his holiday, so I don't need to thank him for that, so it's fine. Anirudh, I never thank. I take him for granted, so that's absolutely fine. But this has been a fabulous journey, and I just think this term Bhumi Namaskar, I think it's not a one-off campaign kind of a thing. I think it's something that should stay with an environmental, with the environmental theme, and especially with the Bamla Foundation being so committed to this over the years. I have not seen somebody so passionate about it. He's more passionate about the environment than his party. So I think that's fabulous, which is a good thing to do, actually. That is fabulous. So, there was a nervous laughter there. But it's incredible to see people like that. It's incredible to see such a amount of commitment to this. I'm sure this is the beginning. I think next year it's going to be even grander. It's going to be kind of this thing. But I would advise the team to kind of stay with the thought of Bhumi Namaskar and express it in very, very different ways for a few years, so that it kind of catches on. So that it's the support of the media, because I think we don't have a phrase for save the environment. We've got complicated phrases. So I think Bhumi Namaskar is an action that our country can have. It's in our parlance, it's in our kind of language. We can kind of tell the world to do Bhumi Namaskar in our language. We've never had that word. I think this could be a word that could kind of galvanize it way beyond this campaign. So and I hope the media would kind of just push it so that people do this. And how can you do Bhumi Namaskar? Thousands of people can contribute. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, R. Balki ji. On behalf of, I'll take that. On behalf of everyone, thank you for the concept. And ladies and gentlemen,
hello everyone. आप सभी को भूमि नमस्कार. Here, my name is Ayush and I'm from Bazooka Media. आप सभी का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया इस पहल के लिए. शायद बहुत कुछ बदलाव आ सकता है, इस वीडियो को देखकर लगा. मेरा सवाल सर आर बाल्की सर आपसे है. आपको हिंदी सिनेमा और दर्शकों ने हमेशा सराहना दिया और हम सभी ने आपके काम को पसंद किया है. अगर आप इस चंद मिनट के वीडियो से हमें इतना मोटिवेट कर सकते हो, तो क्या आगे के समय में आप भूमि नमस्कार पर कोई फिल्म लेकर आ सकते हैं? क्योंकि आपके पास पूरा टैलेंट आपके साथ है, एक प्रोडक्शन आपके साथ है और दर्शक आपके साथ है. तो क्या आप इस कॉन्सेप्ट पे कोई फिल्म बनाने का सोच रहे हैं आगे चल के?
The state of cinema today, you need pan-Indian films, you need masala films for people to come and see it. I think cinema has yes, while there is you can always kind of communicate a message in cinema, but it has to be in a very different format. It has to be in a different kind of entertainment. But there are many, many other ways. You don't always have to use cinema to kind of promote anything. There are millions of other ways to kind of promote it. And sometimes the message is delivered much better through other mediums than cinema.
बट सर एज एन डायरेक्टर मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, एक्टर्स जिस तरीके से इनिशिएटिव ले रहे हैं इस काम को, इस कैंपेन को लेकर, ये आपको देखकर कैसा लगा एज एन डायरेक्टर? जिस तरीके से आप कह रहे हैं कि अब दर्शक मसाला देखना चाहते हैं और कहीं ना कहीं हम तक वो पहुंच भी रहा है, बट जब एक्टर इस तरीके के कैंपेन्स में इनिशिएटिव लेते हैं तो आपको कैसा लगता है?
No, it's wonderful. I think everybody in this campaign has worked, without any fee, without anything, and just on the request of Mr. Bamla. Everybody's kind of done their best to do this. All of us have kind of put together. So I'm sure there are lots of people in the industry who want to contribute, who want to do a lot of wonderful things for any cause. And environment is one of the most important causes that there is. So I think yes, the industry is very ready to kind of contribute.
Great. Thank you so much, sir. Bhumi Namaskar. Thank you, sir.
Hi, sir. This is Arthesh from Bollywood Helpline. So my question is for Shan sir and Aman sir. So I would like to know from you that how important does a music plays a role in this kind of campaigns?
Very often you put a message through a line or through a prose format, या आप किताब ही लिख लें, लेकिन म्यूज़िक से क्या हो जाता है कि आपके और भी सेंसेस जो है ना, मतलब आप सिर्फ शब्द है उसके साथ जब सुर जुड़ जाते हैं तो उसमें एक रिकॉल वैल्यू बढ़ जाती है उस चीज़ की. और जब आप जैसे कि अभी गाना तो हो चुका है, अगर ये कोई स्पीच होता तो कोई फ्रेज़ आपके दिलो दिमाग में चलता नहीं, लेकिन अब ये गाना ख़त्म हुआ है, लेकिन मैं दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि कहीं मन में दिलों में तो कर भूमि नमस्कार वो चल रहा है, फ्रेज़ चल रहा है और वो एक सबकॉन्शियस में चले जाती है. तो कहीं ना कहीं आई थिंक जब आप एक बात को गाने के ज़रिए कहते हैं तो लोगों की जहन तक वो पहुँचती है और रहती है उसी में. दैट्स व्हाट आई फील.
एक्चुअली एक चीज़ ऐड करना चाहूँगा, इट्स नॉट माई थिंग, बट मैं आज का एक किस्सा बताता हूँ आपको. आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू समवन इन कानपुर, यू नो माई कज़न. आजकल स्कूलों में जब एनुअल डेज होते हैं ना, आपके पास परफॉर्म करने के लिए कुछ नहीं होता है, बिकॉज वॉट काइंड ऑफ अ सॉन्ग दे कैन परफॉर्म ऑन, करेक्ट? नाउ इफ यू गूगल एनी ऑफ आसिफ सर्स एंड नीरज सर्स कैंपेन, if you see Dharti Ka Dil, Tick Tick Plastic, you know, they are the songs which are performed right now. And even to an extent, a brand like ONGC, on their annual days, those kind of age groups, they perform this song. And today morning I spoke to someone, so they were saying, you know, unki niece thi, so they said ki in their school, actually they created a mashup of these two songs which are created by Shan. Dharti Ka Dil and Tick Tick Plastic, the campaigns. Yeah.
No, so we actually got Google 2 years back to gauge the performance of the various campaigns. The most heartening thing out of that was, if I remember the numbers correctly, was 6,500 or 6,700, 65 or 6,700 schools. They had been able to gauge that, you know, these songs were getting to. And that is one of the audience that we really want to resonate with, you know, because जैसे किसी ने कहा ना, I mean, we don't sort of inherit this planet from our forefathers. We are really borrowing it from our children, you know. So it's really in that same sort of zone.
और नीरज, I'm telling you, you see it after 6 months. I'm telling you, जो आज ये गाना जो बना है ना, आप गूगल पे जाके देखना, यूट्यूब पे लिखना और देखना इसके कितने वर्जन्स ऑल ओवर पैन इंडिया बन चुके होंगे. इन एवरी स्कूल दिस विल बी अ सॉन्ग टू परफॉर्म एक्चुअली, बिकॉज बचपन से हम बोलते हैं ना, जब बच्चा पेट में होता है तब से उसको अच्छी बातें बताओ. सो दिस इज फॉर द चिल्ड्रन, दैट्स व्हाट ही इज बीन क्रिएटिंग, यू नो. दिस इज वेयर द रियल एडवर्टाइजिंग विल गो इन, यू नो, क्या करना है फॉर द प्लैनेट. सो म्यूजिक विल प्ले एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल देयर, आई थिंक. एंड ओवर टू अमन.
सब लोगों ने इतनी अच्छी बातें बोल दी, मेरे पास कुछ रहा नहीं. बट हाँ, ये शान भाई ने भी बोला कि जो गाने का मीडियम रहता है वो हमेशा आपके साथ लंबा चलता है. जैसे आपको मैं कहानी बताऊंगा, एक आप हो सकता है भूल जाएं उसको, या एक निबंध सुने या ऐसे सुने, बट वही चीज़ जब अगर हम गाने के रूप में गाते हैं उस चीज़ को, तो वो लंबा चलता है. तो ये मैसेज आई थिंक बहुत लंबा चलना चाहिए, और वही हमारा इनिशिएटिव है.
Shan, at the heart of hi, Shan.
Yes, hello.
Shan, at the heart of every movement, every revolution, there's always a song that drives that message. How are you planning to spread the message with this song? Will you be singing at your shows? And to the makers, is this free for all, or is it only reserved for your YouTube channel?
So to be very honest, every year when we have the campaign and we end up on stage, and Miraj, आसिफ भाई, they know the song better. मैं unprepared पहुंच जाता हूँ, लेकिन definitely आज जो रोमांचक ने जो बात उठाई है, तो whenever there is a relevant audience, especially schools, youngsters, or you know, people who I can see there's a social consciousness happening there, I would.
But I remember you telling me once that when you went for a show to perform somewhere abroad, and they asked you to sing Tick Tick Plastic या कुछ, I remember
जी,
you.
जी. Even for when Bangalore
जब आप
airport
perform
went
करने जाते हो,
plastic free.
That's what he told me. I know he's forgotten that maybe. That
नहीं,
you
नहीं.
said somebody who went and there was a show and
Yes,
something
they
like
took
that.
me by surprise, but I should come more prepared next time. I will prepare them properly.
But just to add.
Yeah, Neeraj should answer this question.
So we've released this. This will be available across the world on all digital platforms. So, you know, it will first be taken across all the open networks, whether it's YouTube, it's Instagram, etc. From there, it will go onto all the music streaming sites, Spotify, Wynk, Ghana, Hangama, JioSaavn, Amazon Prime, etc. Everything. And we will be, I mean, the song is there. We will be actively supporting for causes like this, most of the platforms also. So this is going to be made available on the Jio network, on the Airtel network, on the Vodafone network. The idea is we may have all done this out of our passion, and none of the artists, etc., have charged anything. But the idea is to get this across to as many people for them to resonate. So that we will do. And little later, we will also be, because that's the role a digital company can do in this entire amplification of distribution. So right now we've released the song. We've already taking it to the next level, which is we will be gamifying this experience as well and converting this into a gamified experience where you are encouraging into a younger generation, creating more awareness that, you know, by doing this little action, here is something that you've earned, that will be also taken forward in this.
So, hi Asif sir. So my next question is for you. Like, are there any specific environmental issues or challenges which Bamla Foundation or Bhumi Namaskar is going to address?
It's not the first issue that was challenging that we've undertaken. 7 years back, the first issue was the ban on plastic. So as a foundation, we took this further to the then government, of course. At that point in time, Mr. Aditya Thackeray was the environment minister. And when we told him that this and this is the issue, and we should, because that time the UN had also had this as a theme. So tab Tik Tik Plastic ka janm hua tha, if you remember. So that on a policy building also, our team, you see, because देखिए ये जो सब हो रहा है, ये तो स्टार्स रोल मॉडल है. इनसे मुतासिर कई लोग होकर अभी शान कुछ गा रहे हैं या वरुण कुछ कर रहा है, तो उनके जो फैंस हैं वो भी वो करना चाहते हैं. लोग मुझे अक्सर कहते हैं यार आप बड़े फिल्म स्टार्सों को यूज़ करते हो और इनको इस्तेमाल. मैं कहता देयर रोल मॉडल्स. मैं और नीरज अगर कुछ कहें तो शायद वो सुने भी या ना भी सुने. सुजीत कहें तो वो भी शायद नहीं सुन ले. तो बट एक्टर्स यदि कुछ कहेंगे तो उसका एक बड़ा इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, क्योंकि देयर रोल मॉडल्स फॉर मिलियंस. अगर वो कोई चीज़ पहनते हैं तो एक स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट बन जाती है. आज ये मैंने पहना, ये किसी एक्टर का देख के पहना, ये स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट हो गया. सो दिस इज द इम्पैक्ट एंड रीच ऑफ स्टार्स. दैट्स व्हाई वी टेक देम. और ये पॉलिसी बिल्डिंग में बड़े सारे पॉलिसीज है जो है हमने, जिसमें गवर्नमेंट लेवल पर, इवन द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, द महानगर पालिका इज पार्ट ऑफ दिस होल कैंपेन. एंड वाई? आज उन्हें ज़रूरत नहीं है, मतलब उन्हें भी ज़रूरत है कि इस किस्म के जो कैंपेन्स हैं उसके थ्रू ट्रैक्शन बढ़े. और पॉलिसी डिसीजंस अन्य जो होती है, प्लास्टिक पोल्यूशन, एयर पोल्यूशन, वाटर पोल्यूशन, ये जो हम कर रहे हैं, ये केवल साल में एक बार अपनी धरती को हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. बट राउंड द ईयर एक्टिविटी संस्था की चलती रहती है. लाइक बाल्की जी, टुडे our beach cleaning was on in 4 places. One in Palghar, one in Naupada, near the beach that side, on the Girgaon side. So our activities are on. We don't have to be there necessarily to be for an activity. Our campaign towards awareness creating of plastic pollution is on in certain areas where we have our instructors, our people going on for work. वो हमें हर वक्त दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. So that is part of activism, and this is part of optics, which again both play a very very important role. ज़मीन पर एक अलग स्तर की टीम है जो काम करती है, और उसमें खैर कई लोग होते हैं, जैसे शहर जाती है उसमें महराज उसमें इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं, सऊद उसमें इन्वॉल्व. एक हमारी इको चैम्प्स की 1800 लोगों की एक टीम है देश भर में. इवन इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, you know, we did the Dal Lake cleaning, which the Honorable Prime Minister in his Mann Ki Baat also mentioned it. So these are things which inspire and people resonate with that, and there's more support then towards that.
Thank you so much, sir. At last, I would like to ask from all of you that, is there any particular initiative that you are taking at your personal spaces, like your home or your neighborhood, anything?
I think उसके लिए youth head को बुलाते हैं, है ना? Seher, you should be answering because she's heading and leading all the campaigns. Seriously, you should answer it.
So I'll respond to you on this. So my association with the environment started about 12 and a half years back. My daughter was 5 and a half, and at that time when I was leaving the room, she pointed out to me to switch the fan off. That led to me thinking, and in the last 12 years, in my capacity, in whichever way, Balki and I come from also, one of the hats that one wears is the hat of media and advertising, and in our forum we have actively supported something called the IA Olive Crown Awards, which recognizes creativity towards sustainability. And in our own homes, every little, so this office, till about 5-6 years back, we used to serve plastic bottles, etc. It's been completely sort of removed. Little steps wherever possible. Yes, we all have to. And I'm glad you asked this question, क्योंकि ये जब तक सब लोग इसमें किसी ना किसी तरह से नहीं जुड़ेंगे, एंड वही चीज़ है, अगर आप देखें भी इसमें भी, इसके भी जो हम एडिट्स और कट्स बनाएंगे, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, जो एक साधारण आदमी कर सकता है वो करे, जिससे कि उनकी जो ज़िंदगी में बदलाव आएगा, उसी के बेसिस पे हमारे पर्यावरण, हमारे क्लाइमेट का जो इफेक्ट होता है वो चेंज होगा।
सस्टेनेबिलिटी की कोई सीमा नहीं है, हर काम में सस्टेनेबिलिटी है। आप कंस्ट्रक्शन में देखोगे तो वहाँ भी सस्टेनेबल प्रोडक्ट्स आ गए हैं। आप फैशन में देखिए, वहाँ आई वाज स्पीकिंग टू मनीष मल्होत्रा और अन्य जो हमारे फैशन डिजाइनर्स हैं, they've been utilizing sustainability to a very major extent. Now Godrej is there. I would like Sujit also to explain how they amplify the sustainability in larger interest, of environment. So everywhere, हर स्तर पर sustainability एक aspect हो गया, और विश्व भर में सारे नेता भी अगर एक common minimum issue है जिसको address करते तो वो climate change and climate mitigation and sustainability. So I think Sujit, you must highlight this as to how Godrej is amplifying its.
So on two levels basically, एक Godrej level और एक personal level जो सवाल पूछा गया था. Godrej level, ESG बहुत important है आज के दौर में, जहाँ पे लोग environmental, social और governance के ऊपर बहुत focus रखते हैं. Investors तभी आपकी company में पैसा लगाते हैं जब आपकी company environmental friendly है, कुछ अच्छा करती है. So it's a need. It's not a fashion statement anymore. So number one, focus across the organization, हर एक employee level पे होता है, sustainability push किया जाता है. Being a marketing organization, बहुत सारी amplification होती है, जैसे हम ये celebs जो देख रहे हैं, अब ये video जो निकला है, इसको हमारी जो digital team है, इसको amplify करेगी, जो हमारे social media handles है, जिसमें millions of followers है, हमारे consumers है, 750 million consumers जिसको Godrej Group सप्लाई करता है, प्रोडक्ट्स जिनके खरीदते हैं, उनके तक ये मैसेज पहुंचाने की छोटी सी कोशिश होगी. तो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट दीज काइंड ऑफ इनिशिएटिव्स रीच पीपल, एंड इवन 1% ऑफ द पीपल गेट इंस्पायर्ड. इट मेक्स अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस. सो दैट्स ऑन द कॉर्पोरेट फ्रंट. ऑन द पर्सनल फ्रंट जो आपने पूछा था, मुझे बहुत उत्सुकता हुई थी इमीडिएटली आंसर करने, क्योंकि 10 साल पहले मैंने शुरू किया थी मेरी ओन जर्नी ऑफ रिफॉरेस्टेशन. सो मैंने एक लैंड पैच खरीदा था करजत में as a part of a dream to have a farm house. जो 2 एकड़ का लैंड है वो बैरन था आज की तारीख में. इट्स एन इकोसिस्टम जहाँ पे कम से कम 300 से ज़्यादा झाड़ हैं, पेड़ है, पौधे हैं. उसमें से हम नेक्स्ट स्टेप करने वाले हैं टू मोबिलाइज ऑल द विलेजेस जहाँ पे बी कल्चर हो सकता है, बिकॉज लोकली वहाँ पे लोगों को आमदनी नहीं होती है. सो बी कल्चर एक, क्योंकि पोलन ग्रेन्स जो होते हैं उसको क्रॉस पॉलिनेट करने के लिए बीज जो होती है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. सो एज एन एनवायरमेंटल थिंग टू हैव बी हाउसेज एवरीवेयर, तो वो पोलन ग्रेन से करके उसके कारण फॉरेस्ट भी बढ़ते हैं. और तीसरा चीज़ मैं सपोर्ट करता हूँ एनवायरनमेंट को, जो एक एनजीओ है नेचर फॉर एवर सोसाइटी, जो स्पैरो कंजर्वेशन में है, तो हम उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा काम करते हैं. एंड आई थिंक आई लव नेचर, सो एंड एवरीवन शुड लव नेचर फॉर दैट.
Hi, I have a question for Sujit sir. So
it's a simple question out of syllabus तो इधर.
No. So since the partnership between the public and the private partner that has come together, so how important it is for the ecosystem to come together to make this happen?
It's absolutely important. Public-private partnership is necessary because government एक हद तक काम कर सकती है. Private sector, people, public also have a responsibility. हर चीज़ जैसे हम बोलते हैं तो गवर्नमेंट का काम है, ये गवर्नमेंट नहीं करता है. I think that's a wrong stance, that's a wrong attitude. Our job is also to support the government, our job is also to support projects which are happening either by volunteering or whatever. Multiple ecosystems have to come together to make a project successful. जैसे इस stage पे भी आप देखो तो there's an ace song producer, a singer, an amazing filmmaker, a catalyst for doing that, a digital media baron. So I mean ये सब लोग आते हैं तभी जाके कुछ बात आगे बढ़ती है. बात ऐसे भी बढ़ सकती है, बट जब ये ऐसा फोर्स आ जाता है तो उसको स्पीड आ जाता है, उसका स्प्रेड बढ़ जाता है और इम्पैक्ट थोड़ा सा बढ़ जाता है. तो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पीपीपी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us, and
we
thank you.
We have to hear Balki's dream about environment.
Yes, of course.
See, my promise is it's not a promise, but it's something that the first thing is the easiest way I can contribute to the environment is actually communicating it. I think that is the first way. I mean, I don't run an industry, I don't run anything else, but I just make films. So the best way for me is to use my craft to kind of communicate a message. That's number one. Second, actually in films, we always talk about it, and we've done a lot. There's so much of wastage in films. There's so much of kind of plastic pollution is huge in kind of films. The amount of cleanups that is necessary, going to a location, preserving it, trying to kind of do something to the places that you kind of shoot. Even kind of, spread a cause. If you're going to a location and kind of shooting and seeing something wrong, can you do something and spread that awareness to a lot of people? And I think even in terms of building sets, there's so much of stuff that goes on in the film industry that can be far more effectively kind of managed. That can be far more environmentally friendly. So I think we're pushing for a lot of things in a lot of places. A lot of art directors are using absolutely recycled material all along right now. So those things are happening in place. They're slow, but they're really moving. Everybody's far more conscious today. So I think that's a step from the film industry. The best thing the film industry can do is communicate it.
Yeah, that's what I was. No. We just want, क्योंकि Seher is not, of course, as a social champ, but also representing the youth, और they born with all these things. इनके लिए तो ये सारी चीज़ें natural है. हमारे सामने AC refrigerators आए थे दुनिया में, लेकिन they are born with it. तो इन्होंने क्या change और क्या करना चाहते हैं आगे, and how are they looking at making the earth more, livable for a longer time? Sir, your thoughts?
पहले तो मेरे हिसाब से बहुत सारे प्लांट्स को प्लांट करना चाहिए. आई थिंक दे आर वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू सर्वाइव, बिकॉज प्लांट्स कैन सर्वाइव विदाउट ह्यूमंस, बट वी ह्यूमंस कैन नॉट. एंड हम देख रहे हैं कि किस हिसाब से पेड़ पौधों को डिस्ट्रॉय किया जा रहा है. तो आई विल स्पीक व्हाट इंडिविजुअल्स कैन डू, because bigger things have already been spoken. So what we as individuals and whoever's watching, a youngster, the simplest thing that we can do is avoid single-use plastic in your daily life, because it is so accessible to us. We use it and it's the life of convenience. But अगर हम देखेंगे ये जो plastic है, a plastic straw remains in our environment for 500 years. It outlives human beings. So we have to really be mindful about that. And हमारे जैसे organizations में we do a lot of beach cleanups, a lot of tree plantations, a lot of waste management drives, and we always need help. हमेशा हमें ना लोगों की ज़रूरत रहती है जो आए और हमें मदद करे साफ़ सफाई करने में, to spread awareness. So we share everything on our Instagram, on our digital platforms. So please do come join us. And धरती से करो प्यार और भूमि नमस्कार.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
क्या कर रहे थे? Come. No.
We also have a few trophies that we'd like to give out.
थोड़ा यहाँ पे, come in the center. Backdrop यार.
अगर धरती से है प्यार तो करो भूमि नमस्कार.
One more time.
भूमि नमस्कार.
One more time.
अगर धरती से है प्यार तो करो भूमि नमस्कार. और आप सबको हमें बताया आप भूमि नमस्कार किस हिसाब से करेंगे? हाँ.
सो धरती से प्यार सबको है और सबने बहुत अच्छा भूमि नमस्कार किया. बट इन सबको एक साथ लाने के लिए आई थिंक नीरज रॉय जी, आसिफ बामला जी, सुजीत जी, प्लीज अ स्मॉल टोकन मोमेंटम टू मिस्टर आर बाल्की फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ अस फॉर ऑल द contribution he's done for this wonderful campaign. And absolutely, the think tank, the man who's always being getting all the creative ideas over the years, and to make this really successful. Romanchak Arora. Big round of applause for Romanchak Arora. I think, sir, Mr. R. Balki should give away this small sapling to Mr. Romanchak Arora, the creative head of the Bamla Foundation. From the Godrej group, Mr. Nadir Godrej was there. Sujit ji would receive this small, Mr. R. Balki ji, small momentum to Mr. Burgess Godrej. Mr. Sujit ji will take this on his behalf. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
एक मिनट आप लोग एक सेकंड रुकेंगे प्लीज, एक रिक्वेस्ट है। महराज अंकल आप आइए इधर, एक मिनट। एवरीवन जस्ट स्टे वेयरएवर यू ऑल आर, ओके? या
सो मैं बोलूंगा अगर धरती से प्यार आप लोग को बोलना है तो करो भूमि नमस्कार, ठीक है? सो मैं बोलूंगा अगर धरती से प्यार, ठीक है?
एकदम एनर्जी के साथ प्लीज कहना, ये हमें हर जगह यूज करना है प्लीज।
सो 3, 2, 1। अगर धरती से है प्यार तो करो भूमि नमस्कार। तो मैं बोलूंगा अगर धरती से प्यार, आप लोग को बोलना है तो करो भूमि नमस्कार। अगर धरती से है प्यार, अगर धरती से है प्यार, हाथ जोड़ करके बोलते हैं ये बात, अगर धरती से है प्यार। थैंक यू।